Well, guys, in the last vlog, I um I ended it with the electricity coming back on, and we had the electricity for what, like an hour? And it went back out like a few minutes ago, like 4 minutes ago. So, we are with no electricity again. Um which is, I think it's just gonna be going on and off for the rest of the night. Just taking turns for everybody. So I mean, I guess that's all right. As long as it doesn't take like hours for it to come back on, then we should be good. Cause I was already getting really hot with these clothes on, and then the heater was on. So yeah. So guys, this is it. This is the only update I'm gonna give y'all, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Unless something happens at night, unless I wake up freezing cold at night,
Or dead.
then they wouldn't get an update if I'm dead.
Right.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so our electricity went back out probably like 20-30 minutes ago. It's morning already. My throat hurts because the electricity um went back out every hour, every other hour. And whenever it was on, it only lasted for 45 minutes. And so like around 3 a.m., I went to sleep at 2:30, and around 3 a.m. it went off completely, and it didn't come back on till like 5. No. It was either 6 or 7 a.m. whenever it came back on. And I don't know what time exactly it was because I did not want to move. I was so warm in my blankets and I just wanted to stay like that. But Brian right now went to Walmart. He went to go buy some food for Benji because he ran out. So yeah, and we're gonna be going to my parents in a little bit because it's freezing here. Since they have a gas stove, at least it keeps the warmth in because my mom boils water and it helps. And here it's super cold downstairs because of the big door and the windows. Upstairs it maintains a little bit more warm, but I just wanted to see if the electricity is going to be coming back on every other hour like it was last night. If not, so I can take Benji because I don't want him to stay here and suffer in the cold till like 6 or 7. I am vlogging on my phone because it's gonna be easier for me to edit it because there's no electricity and I can't really pass anything to my computer right now. So I'm just gonna do it on here. So sorry for the bad quality. This is how it looks outside, guys, in the little patio. Me and Brian have not been out here at all. Those are all of Benji's footprints. Look at him. I'm gonna put him inside already. He's not even peeing. Vente! Vente! He's just eating snow. Benji! It's cold. What's up, guys? I am at my parents' house.
You're lying.
The electricity was good and it literally just went out like 3 minutes ago. So now we're just here chilling. We are expecting more snow at 5 p.m. We're expecting 3 to 5 more inches of snow. There wasn't supposed to be any snow today till tomorrow, Wednesday. But it's going to be snowing from 5 all the way to tomorrow at noon. So we'll see how that goes. The power outages are going to continue. The temperatures are going to continue to go low. So yeah. Anyways, my mom is making pozole right now for later for dinner. My aunt left already with my cousins. They went home since they're getting electricity on and off, and also their pipes froze up, so they went over there so they could help my uncle unfreeze the pipe so that the water can flow, you know, otherwise they're gonna burst. So that's what happened. I don't know if my brothers are gonna come over later, but that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna post some pictures. I'm gonna put some pictures on here right now. This is pretty much how a Kroger in Denton looks right now. There's literally no produce, no nothing, because the trucks aren't getting to the stores to, you know, to like deliver the groceries or anything. So this is what's going on. But yeah, for now, this is it. So yeah, wish us luck. Guys, it started to snow again. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can see it on Brian's jacket. But it's snowing again. Right on time too. Look at that. Why is it snowing again? Hey, they said it was. Oh, look. They said it was gonna snow again.
¡Métase para adentro!
Look at that. Dang. More snow. Ahí viene mi hermano. Mira, ya llegó mi hermano.
Rolling.
Nanito, nanito.
Rolling.
We act like we've never seen snow. In California. What Californians? We get snow. We get seasons, unlike y'all.
Every day we get seasons. Every hour, actually.
Show me y'all's little snow. The little snow from TikTok that were sliding. I'm just kidding. If I have California people watching this, I'm not kidding, but I'm not kidding, but I'm just, you know. But yeah, guys, we thought it was gonna clear out.
No, it's not.
Nope, not right now. Probably till Friday, maybe Saturday.
Man, I really wanted to go to work.
No, you didn't. Shut up, bro.
Shut up. Guys, my brother just got here with my niece and my sister-in-law. Ooh. ¿Qué? ¿Qué son iguales?
Las botitas.
Sí es cierto.
Te cayó un diente.
¿A qué no? A ver.
Mira.
A ver las botas.
Están iguales.
Iguales. Deb, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Do you have anything to say about the snow?
No.
Tell the people how you feel with the lights off.
Good.
You're not scared?
She put her hair on fire.
Yes.
Ow.
Then I hit you.
Gordy. Gordy. I don't like that my phone does that. ¿Qué? Say hi to my vlog. ¿Qué está haciendo?
Chocolate.
Canela. My mom's making hot chocolate. We ate pozole. Ah, te está caliente.
Luz, pero comiendo.
Yes, sir.
Besito.
Ay, qué bonito.
Unos ojitos. A ver, unos ojitos.
Hey guys, we came with my brother to pick up some flashlights from his house. And my brother has a big old truck. It's a 4x4 truck, right? And he takes off the 4x4 and
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about.
Ay, I was about to fall. It's slippery, man. I hope you fall. Huh? Are your Crocs on 4-wheel drive? Guys, we got light again. We're drinking hot chocolate, bread.
Stop it.
Mire, mire, que no te dé vergüenza.
Y no me va a dejar de grabar.
Métele el padrino. ¿Cuántos llevas? ¿3 o 2?
Uno, sí.
Ay, hermano, le dice que no come su hija, hermano, el nombre.
Wow, she always does this in every video. We're home, guys, and it's still snowing. Can y'all see that? My poor Benji has been home alone all day. Tomorrow when we go to my mom's, I'll probably take him. Maybe. This is where we live, by the way. I had never shown y'all the outside. There he is. There he is.
Benjamin.
Hi, I brought you food. Guys, look at the bush. Wait,
Yeah, because it's
Oh.
drizzling real fast.
look at Benjamin.
The bush got rain.
Benji loves the snow. What are you doing, bro?
Go, Benji, go.
Corley. It's so white.
¿Qué te pasa?
Vente.
You hear it crackle?
Yeah, that's ice. Can y'all hear that? It's no longer snow. That's ice. Which means it's gonna be really bad tomorrow, Benjums. We'll see how it goes.